Section 11. Conclusion. The enduring allure of the Silver Star. From its humble beginnings in 19th century Germany to its current status as a global automotive icon, Mercedes-Benz has consistently set the standard for luxury, performance, and innovation. The brand's unwavering commitment to quality, craftsmanship, and technological advancement has earned it a loyal following of discerning customers worldwide. Whether it's the timeless elegance of its classic models, the cutting-edge technology of its latest offerings, or the exhilarating performance of its AMG performance cars, Mercedes-Benz continues to capture the hearts and minds of automotive enthusiasts around the world. As the automotive industry enters a new era of unprecedented change and innovation, Mercedes-Benz is well positioned to lead the way, driven by its unwavering commitment to excellence and its passion for creating the ultimate driving experience. The future of Mercedes-Benz is bright, and the three-pointed star will continue to shine as a symbol of automotive excellence for generations to come.